How to buy OpenAI API credits. So if you want to buy the OpenAI API credits, then follow the steps. First, create an OpenAI platform account. If you've not created your OpenAI account, then you can simply go with the platform.openai.com and you need to create an account using your Google, Microsoft account, or Apple. Once you've created, you need to go with the billing page. So click the settings gear icon, which will be on the top right, and navigate to the billing page. You can simply go with the billing option. And once you're here on the billing page, you need to simply go with add payment details or add payment methods. And once you've added your payment methods, then you will be able to buy the credits. Click on add payment details, and below that you will have the credit balance. And then once you enter your initial credit purchase, you need to simply go with credit balance and then go with continue, which is here on the bottom right. Once you've done that, you'll see your balance and auto recharge settings. Simply go with add to credit balance, or if you want to cancel the plan, you can go with cancel plan. And then you can go with save, which is here on the bottom left. And after that, the fifth step is connecting your OpenAI account to your automation tool. To do that, you can simply open up your settings, and then under settings, you need to go with your integrations and scroll down to OpenAI and hit connect. Once you hit connect, then it will give you a new secret key. So simply enter the name and the project name and go with create secret key. And that's it. That's how you can buy your OpenAI API credits. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.